Racing just is started with El Indio. Break quickly at a start. Moving up now the answer is Atoy for us. Danis Minstrel. We shut up. 24 Horas comes next. Italia just right. While Holy Trish is the early trailer by about 10 lengths of the leader. And going along for the first turn we have El Indio. By the length and a half. Running by the release Danis Minstrel. Atoy for us is on the outside. Third, 2 lengths further back in fourth comes Italia. Shut up comes next just right. Holy Trish now second last, while 24 Horas now racing in last back to the leader. We have El Indio. Italia rushing up down on the inside. Danis Minstrel. Atoy for a shut up. Then here comes Holy Trish now moving up down on the inside just right. 24 Horas. Another far turn. We have Italia. Length anyhow, El Indio in second. Moving up now is Atoy for a shut up. Holy Trish is running by the rail just right. Comes next Danis Minstrel and 24 Horas. And they are now entering the home stretch. El Indio once again takes command. Down on the inside Italia. Holy Trish comes next. Atoy for a shut up. Last 100 meters. We are El Indio. Italia. Atoy for a Cesaria. El Indio, followed by Italia by the rail, and finally it's going to be a close finish. El Indio, Italia, Atoy for us, then comes shut up just right. Holy Trish.
Si Armand the Rubberman.